Hi, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be educating on glucose. By the end of the video you'll be an expert on glucose. Comment below and let me know how you keep your glucose levels in check. I'm Kelly, an occupational therapist and an essential oil specialist. Please hit that subscribe button and click the bell and stay tuned to the end for downloaded recipes. Glucose is a simple carbohydrate, a monosaccharide from rice, pasta, fruits, salad dressings, energy drinks, fast food, okay, everything in our modern diets. So when we take a bite, the food travels down your esophagus and into your stomach. There, acids and enzymes break it down into tiny pieces. During that process, glucose is released from the pancreas. Now, depending on the volume we consume, depends on how much glucose is released. Glucose goes into your intestines where it is absorbed and passes into your bloodstream. Now, once in the bloodstream, the beta cells release insulin into your bloodstream. The insulin acts like a key to unlock muscle, fat, and liver cells so the glucose can get inside them. After your body has used the energy it needed, the leftover glucose is stored in little bundles called glycogen in your liver and your muscles. Let's dive in a little bit deeper. Glucose enters your cells and gives them energy. The energy cells are called mitochondria, and this is important because they give us fuel. However, when there is too much glucose, the mitochondria cannot take it all in and it gets overwhelmed and backed up. When our cells are bombarded with glucose, free radicals break off from our cells. When the free radicals break off, they float among our body and they can modify our DNA and the gene makeup. So when there's too many free radicals, they compile, causing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress could cause illnesses, which we probably hear about today. And when we eat the simple or complex carbohydrates, the liver and the muscles will store only an excess specific amount of glucose. And when there is excess amounts, that glucose is stored as fat. So every time we have excess glucose, we get high spikes, damages our cells, and we age. Excess glucose then turns into fat cells, and this aging and fat cell cycle occurs every time we eat. Excess high peaks and low valleys are hallmarks of metabolism problems, and over time, elevated blood sugar levels can have permanent health consequences. Did you know that 7% of US adults have optimal cardiovascular health? That means 93% of us are at risk. What can help naturally? Well, there isn't one key ingredient to look for: mulberry leaf extract. Mulberry leaf extract is a key ingredient in doTERRA's MetaPower capsule because in recent research studies, it has been clinically proven to reduce carbohydrate digestion by 42%, keeping those spikes more leveled. doTERRA has revolutionized a formula to slow down this conversion of our carbohydrates into glucose and slowing down its entry into the bloodstream, which is super important. MetaPower Assist, when taken before meals, will decrease the glycemic impact of carbohydrated heavy meals, lowering your blood sugar spikes, thus lessening the aging process, lessening the likelihood of complex health problems. So I'll link a video below which goes in much more detail about the MetaPower Assist. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. As promised, here is my downloaded recipes. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.